everyone, and welcome to My English Teacher, where learning English feels easy, natural, and full of fun. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. Emily, do you know what's always exciting for me?
What's that, Paul?
Food. I woke up this morning thinking about burgers, fries, and maybe some pasta. I'm starving.
Paul, you're always hungry. But hey, that's perfect, because today's topic is all about how to order food at a restaurant in English.
That's great. Ordering food is one of the most useful skills. Everyone eats, right?
Exactly. But for many learners, speaking English in a restaurant feels stressful. They know what they want to say, but when the waiter comes, silence.
I know that feeling. So today we'll make it easy. We'll teach you natural phrases, polite expressions, and little tricks to sound confident when you order.
Perfect. Let's start right from the door of the restaurant. You walk in, the smell of food fills the air, and a waiter smiles at you.
I can already feel it. So what do I say first?
Simple. Smile back and say, hello, or hi. Then say, a table for two, please.
A table for two, please. Easy enough.
Yes, or a table for one, please, if you're eating alone. The waiter might reply, this way, please, and lead you to your table.
Great. So I sit down. What's next?
Now you need the menu. If the waiter doesn't bring it, you can say, can I have the menu, please?
That's polite. And I guess please is the magic word here.
Exactly. Please and thank you make every sentence sound friendly and natural.
So now I open the menu and wow, so many words. Starters, main courses, desserts, drinks.
Right. Starters are small dishes like soup or salad. Main course is your main meal, maybe chicken, pasta, or steak. And dessert is the sweet part, like cake or ice cream.
Chocolate cake, my favorite.
Mine too. But first, you need to order. When the waiter comes and asks, are you ready to order? You can say, yes, I am. Or, just a minute, please, if you need more time.
That's good to know. But when I'm hungry, I'm always ready.
Then use a polite way to order. I would like, or I'll have. For example, I would like the hamburger, please.
So, not I want?
I want is okay, but I would like sounds more polite. It's perfect in restaurants.
Got it. So, I would say, I would like the hamburger and fries, please.
Exactly. Let's practice. I'll be the waiter. Hello, are you ready to order?
Yes, I am. I would like the tomato soup to start, please. And for my main course, I'll have the hamburger.
Excellent choice, sir. Anything to drink?
Yes, I'll have a soda, please.
Perfect. See? That's how natural it sounds.
I feel confident already.
When your food arrives, the waiter will say, enjoy your meal. You just smile and say thank you.
Easy. And during the meal?
The waiter might come by and ask, is everything okay? You can answer, yes, it's delicious, or everything's great, thank you.
Delicious. That's a great word. It means the food tastes really good.
Exactly. And if you need something, more water, more bread, another drink, just say politely, excuse me, can I have some more water, please?
Can I have some more water, please? That's so useful. I can use that anywhere.
Yes, that's the beauty of these phrases. They're simple, polite, and powerful.
You know, Emily, I used to feel shy asking for things in English. I thought people might judge my accent.
A lot of learners feel that way, but trust me, people care more about kindness than perfection. When you smile and say, please, or thank you, your English already sounds amazing.
That's comforting. So after eating, what's next? Dessert?
Of course. The waiter might ask, would you like to see the dessert menu?
I'd say yes, please, very fast.
Me too. And when you order, just say, I would like the chocolate cake, please.
Simple, clear, polite. I like it.
Learning these small phrases makes a big difference. They help you sound natural and confident, not robotic or nervous.
And they're easy to remember.
Exactly. And remember, it's not just about grammar, it's about connection. Every smile, every please, every thank you helps people feel your warmth.
I love that. So English is not only words, it's energy.
Beautifully said, Paul. And that's something every learner should remember.
So now, Emily, I've eaten my soup, my hamburger, and my chocolate cake. I'm full and happy. What's next?
Now it's time to pay. You get the waiter's attention politely. Just say, "Excuse me, can I have the bill, please?"
Or the check, please, right?
Exactly. In the UK, people say bill. In the US, check. Both are correct.
Okay. And after that, the waiter brings a small paper with the total price.
Right. You can pay with cash or a credit card. If you're not sure, you can ask, "Do you take credit cards?"
That's good. And when I hand them my card, I can say, "Here you are."
Perfect. It's polite and simple. After they bring your receipt back, you can smile and say, "Thank you very much."
You know, Emily, it sounds so easy when you explain it this way.
It is easy when you practice. Most people are afraid because they've never tried, but once you do it, your confidence grows fast.
That's true. It's just like learning English itself. The first time feels scary. The second time feels better. The third time, you start to smile.
Exactly. Every time you try, you get a little braver.
Let's do one quick role play. I'll be the customer, you be the waiter.
Great idea. Let's go. Good evening, sir. Welcome to the restaurant.
Hello, a table for one, please.
Of course. This way, please. Here's your table.
Thank you. Can I see the menu, please?
Certainly. Here you are. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I am. I'd like the chicken with vegetables, please.
Excellent choice. Anything to drink?
Yes, I'll have a glass of water, please.
Perfect. 1 chicken with vegetables and 1 water. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. It looks delicious.
Is everything okay?
Yes, it's perfect. Thank you.
Would you like dessert?
No thank you. I'm full. But can I have the bill, please?
Of course. Here's your bill.
Thank you. Here you are.
Thank you, sir. Have a wonderful evening.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Wow, Emily, that was so smooth.
See, you just completed a full restaurant conversation in English.
And it felt natural, like a real-life moment, not a textbook.
That's the goal. Language should feel alive, like a friendly conversation, not a grammar lesson.
You know what I realized? It's not only about speaking English. It's about confidence, too.
You're right. When you speak politely and smile, people want to help you. You don't need to sound perfect. You just need to sound human.
That's powerful, Emily. It reminds me of something my friend once said. A smile is the same in every language.
I love that quote. So true. And when you add please and thank you, you create connection, not just communication.
So if someone is afraid to speak English at a restaurant, what should they do first?
Start small. Practice these short sentences at home. A table for 2, please. Can I have the menu, please? I would like some water. Do it in front of a mirror or with a friend.
And the more you say it, the more natural it feels.
Exactly. It's like training a muscle. Every small try makes you stronger.
And even if you make a mistake, don't stop. Most people will smile, and understand you anyway.
That's right. In real life, kindness and courage matter more than perfect grammar.
So true. And I think this lesson isn't only about English. It's about life.
Yes, be brave enough to speak, to try, to make mistakes. That's how growth happens, one small sentence at a time.
I love that. One small sentence at a time.
Maybe that should be our motto for the Miss English channel.
It's perfect because every listener here is already one sentence closer to confidence.
Exactly. And if you're listening right now, remember, you can do this. The next time you visit a restaurant, try one new phrase in English. You'll surprise yourself.
And don't forget to smile. It's the most international word in the world.
Beautifully said, Paul.
Thank you, Emily, and thank you to everyone listening today.
Yes, thank you all so much for joining us. We hope today's episode helps you feel more confident to order food in English and to enjoy every small step of your learning journey.
If you found this lesson helpful, please subscribe to My English Teacher, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with your friends.
And tell us in the comments, what's your favorite food to order in English? Pizza, pasta, or maybe sushi?
We'd love to read your answers.
Until next time, keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep believing in your progress. Because every word you speak brings you closer to confidence.
See you soon on My English Teacher.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye for now.